since our gold hood scoop got crushed in the lawnmower crash, the look of our drag rail has not been the same. So Ike and I were brainstorming, what could we use to make a new hood scoop out of that wouldn't add a lot of weight? So while we were browsing at our local hardware store, we came across mailboxes. So today we're making a ram air scoop for the drag rail out of a mailbox. I also wanted to remind you guys that this weekend is our big event, Mini Mayhem at Busco Beach. There's more information on our Facebook page. Unfortunately, the 670 mower is not going to make it, but we're going to bring the Ducati cart out instead. Enjoy the video.
You know, we could cut the bottom out of it, raise this up.
And re-weld or something.
Yeah.
So the plan is to get a mailbox for $18, and we don't really think it's gonna work, but we're gonna set it up there, and if it looks good, we're gonna use it. That's where it's at, dude. Is it good?
Like it belongs.
So we think the mailbox is gonna look good. We just need to shorten it a little bit and make it a little less deep. So Ike's just drilling the seam welds, and yeah, we're gonna shorten it.
Okay, now that I got the mailbox pulled apart, I'm thinking about cutting 3 inches out of the bottom.
Yep.
So 3 inches there. 3 inches there. And we can probably put that filter on the inside and then just run some piping going around to the carburetor.
Okay.
We got our ram air stuff here. We got our PVC. Well, this is not PVC. What is this? This is some sort of other stuff, but it's like PVC. It's black. We like the color, so we're going with it. So we got all that stuff. Now we're going to be putting this filter inside this ram air scoop mailbox and plumb it up.
We really want to know how much this thing weighs. We're not exactly sure, but we think this rail weighs 400 pounds. So if you were to scale that up to like something more comparable to a car, that'd be like having a 4,000 pound car that makes about 550 to 600 horsepower, because this makes 55 to 60 horsepower. I'm just adding zeros. So by adding 5 pounds between our scoop and the piping, that's not like adding 50 pounds to a 4,000 pound car. It's not a lot, but I mean, like it's gonna make a difference. So we're gonna grab our chunky plasma cutter, cut a nice hole about the right size for our pod to fit through. And it looks like it's gonna fit in there pretty well.
You okay?
I should be wearing gloves.
Yep.
Pretty much a straight shot, dude.
Awesome. So the big question though, dude.
Yes.
The big question.
Big question.
Where is this gonna fit in?
Oops. You really want to put that on there?
It would be awesome. If you were to see that, you know, at the drag strip on a Thursday or Friday night, would you immediately see it and be like, wow, those guys put a mailbox as their air scoop? I still think it looks like a mailbox, and that's why I'm saying we need to reinstall this. We just need to lean into it, you know? But I don't know. Once we paint it, it may look different. I don't know. Like once I see that it's a mailbox, I can't unsee it.
Plumb it here, and then plumb it here, and boom.
Bada bing, bada boom, dude.
I mean, Does that look stupid?
It honestly doesn't. I was afraid it would.
Let me take this tag.
I thought people would be like, man, why'd you go to the plumbing aisle and make a ram air scoop?
Okay.
But it actually looks good.
It's not bad.
No, it's not.
You really need a steady hand when you're doing this.
Yep.
I am not one of those people.
Better.
Let's see. This drops in, then yes, it's better. You know what? I got a confession to make.
What's that?
Now it looks more like a mailbox to me.
Really?
I'm used to mailboxes being black. Now it looks more like a mailbox. Not saying it's a mailbox. You know.
Dude, it's a flat black mailbox, so it's a racing mailbox.
Oh yes.
Stuff sprays on thick. I don't know why everybody doesn't paint their stuff with this.
Dude, I can already see it looking more solid.
I know. We were between doing like 1 coat or 2 coats of clear coat. So glad we went with 2 coats. Because look at that.
Bling bling.
So now we can install the oil pressure gauge.
Yep.
And then the brackets that I just painted.
Yep. Couldn't get any tighter, dude. So now that we got the oil pressure gauge installed, I just found out that I can't put in the air filter. That's my fault. But we can solve this by going back to the store again and get a 90-degree elbow and the little rubber adapter attacher thingy. I know what I'm talking about. Let's go to the store. So we got our 2-inch coupling and our 1.5 inch 90-degree. Let's go. All right, got our pieces here. Let's see if we can make some magic happen.
Ready to go? Take a look. Nice, man.
Oh, I'm already scratching it.
I got it right on camera too, dude. Zoomed in. I think you wanted to see it.
I do want to see it, man. I need to see it. And if it looks that bad, we can always put, like, you know, 670 Burnout Street or something on it and put an address. That's pretty great. Isn't it, man?
I don't know, dude.
Isn't that pretty great?
Okay, that's just the flag is just a little bit.
All right, so the Ram Air Scoop is finished and installed. We're going to back this thing out and do a couple passes in the driveway because we're hoping to go to the drag strip this Thursday. I know we keep saying that, but it keeps getting rained out. We had another tropical storm roll through, so there's been a lot of rain. But we made some adjustments to the chain since we ran it last, and we want to make sure we're not going to have any chain problems or try to minimize mechanical problems before we head to the drag strip.
Buddy,
Yeah?
I'm delighted to tell you that I think we have a traction problem.
Yeah. Well, we'll find out at the track.
So between the Go Power Sports carburetor, the Performance 670 adapter to make it all work, and of course the
Ram air.
the non-mailbox ram air. It's definitely not a mailbox. Yeah, we're partying, dude.
Sounds good.
I don't think I went fast enough to see any benefits from the ram air.
No, man. We're not going to see any real benefits until high speed.
When a lot's getting crammed in there.
Yeah. The only thing that real benefits that we'll see at low speeds is it's actually picking up cool air rather than air next to the hot engine.
Exhaust, right.
You know, lots of race cars have
Lots of stickers.
stickers and stuff on them.
Yeah, actually, we do have some new stickers we've been waiting to show you guys. I've been so excited about these stickers. And they just came in, and they're gonna be perfect for this rail. So we have this brand new sticker available at our website. You can find it at CarsandCameras.com or at the links in our description. I had this drawn up because, well, I mean, who doesn't love the rail? And I just wanted like a 60s kind of cartoon drawing of the rail. Anyway, this design may eventually make it onto some t-shirts, but I wanted to start with some stickers. I'm gonna put it on the valve cover. Honestly, I don't know if it's gonna withstand the heat. I have had these stickers in the freezer for like about a year, or a similar type of sticker, and it's been fine. So all you viewers in Alaska, your Cars and Cameras sticker should be fine.
Could have gone over this way just a tad more.
Oh, it's all good. Anyway, it is a great quality, long-lasting sticker just like our other ones, and it's a great way to add a little bit of the Cars and Cameras drag rail to your project, refrigerator, or whatever you have, and it's a great way to support us in what we do as well. Anyway, let's try to get some slow-mo wheel spin on camera. I don't know if it's gonna work.
Okay.
But we're gonna give it a shot.
All right.
Ready? It looks mean, it sounds mean, dude. We did a good job. All right, the rail's in for the night. The scoop is done. I think this project just needed another scoop. I think the scoop just set it over the top in terms of looks and overall just cool factor. But like we said, we're looking to go back to the drag strip this coming Thursday, so that should be coming in a video very, very soon, assuming the weather's good and the track's open and all that stuff. Let us know what you think of the mailbox. Does it still look like a mailbox? Yes or no? I keep saying mailbox and not intake. It's an intake, guys. It's not a mailbox. Anyway, leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. The rail's doing well. Spinning tires, but I think at the track on a prep surface, like we keep saying, we're not going to have traction problems anymore. If you enjoyed the video today, leave us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you have not already for more awesome content. And if you want to further support us and what we do, pick up our new sticker of the drag rail at CarsandCameras.com. Keep up with us between videos on Facebook and Instagram at Cars and Cameras Reviews. And don't forget Go Power Sports CC10 for 10% off most orders on their site. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully next time we see you, we'll be at the drag strip. See you then.